inside the forest, yung belief nila, it depends on the movements of the animals and what's in the surrounding. And then Mama will do the same dance in front of the whole tribes about that type of
Shan, sit down
okay,
ka
once
dun,
again,
oh.
yan po ang tinatawag na sayo ng tutubi or dragonfly dance.
Alis po kayo dyan na.
At yan po si Kuya Bugoy. Okay, akit pa po sa puno yan.
Kaya ano.
Tako si Kuya.
Kaya mo yan.
Okay, so thank you.